We are at the Supreme Court of the United States to learn about the case Citizens United. We know it involves corporations incorporated together under the title Citizens United, and that lawyers for these corporations asked Chief Jester Roberts to find power to make a corporation a person with rights. Chief Jester Roberts and his associate court jesters, Scalia, Kennedy, Thomas, and Alito, endured many failed attempts before they were successful in turning property, a corporation, into a person with rights. This case is a logical corollary to the Dred Scott case just before the Civil War. In the Dred Scott decision, the court said a person, a slave, is property with no rights. In both cases, the court focused on property, not people. Today, we have some exclusive behind-the-scenes footage for you. Here is a look inside the court jester's chambers, which shows the frustration during one of those many failed attempts at cutting and pasting prior cases and articles of incorporation into the result Chief Jester Roberts was oriented to find. After many such attempts, it was Supreme Court Jester Kennedy who finally created persons out of paper property and a constitutionally protected paper voice for those corporations. Today, you will see this final result for the first time. Here is Chief Jester Roberts bearing his court's sacred mace as he leads the March of Idols. Now this is MIC, the military-industrial complex. Let me tell you, beware the military-industrial complex, because now MIC is a person with free speech rights. Standing too close to MIC could get you trampled by the corporate loyalists in Congress who worship MIC. Notice that a corporatist is making an offering to MIC. Oil spill liability cap? That is a golden gift. Now a word from one of our corporate sponsors.
Chief Jester Roberts Capital Investments Incorporated is for corporations wanting to invest in shares of Congress. Chief Jester Roberts uses the Citizens United corporate free speech, that is, money talks, option, assisting corporations buying shares of Congress. Today's averages: Senate corporatists $25,350 per share, House corporatists $8,178 per share. We don't make backroom deals anymore. We actually do it in the lobby because bribes are legal now.
Mooney is here. Mooney is not a person like Mick. Mooney is the second divine creation of the Roberts Supreme Court Jesters. Mooney is the voice of corporate free speech. That's right, Mooney talks. Notice that Mooney is equipped with a global corporate speech interpreter, a currency converter. This feature translates foreign corporate speech into the language corporate loyalists understand best, US dollars.
Now you're talking.
Mooney seems to be worshipped by congressional corporatists even more so than Mick. It appears Mooney is the gist, the shining gloss of what this Corporations United case is really all about. We will be back in 60 seconds.
Chief Jester Roberts, Butchery Incorporated. U.S. Supreme Court approved cuts of congressional bull. Chief Jester Roberts' Butchery provides corporations with prime cuts of Citizens United brand congressional bull, which means more congressional bull for everyone.
Ida Stooge, reporting from the Supreme Court for CEO Broadcasting Systems, your station for CEO edited and approved news. From all of us at CEO BS News, good night.